Agency owners and media buyers don't get paid for searching, they get paid for finding insights. Advanced search helps you skip the hunt and get straight to the ads that matches your exact criteria. Basic searches give broad results. Without precision, you spend more time searching and less time finding what actually works and less time finding useful insights. That's where advanced search helps. It lets you narrow millions of ads using specific criteria. You can quickly find the campaigns most relevant to your goals. Let's see how it works. Just inside the PowerAdSpy, open the advanced search panel. Here you will find multiple search options like keywords, advertisers, and domain that help refine your results. Depending on your research goals, you can search using keywords, countries, platforms, and other available filters. Simply select the criteria that matches what you are looking for and apply the search. PowerAdSpy instantly narrows the database and displays more targeted results. Instead of browsing through thousands of ads, you are now looking at the campaign that closely match your niche, audience, and marketing objective. This makes it much easier to study competitor strategies, analyze creatives, and uncover opportunities that otherwise may get missed. Want to see ads from a specific brand? Just search by advertiser. Let's use Nike as an example. Instantly, you will see all ads linked to that advertiser. You can also search by domain. Enter ebay.com to view ads associated with that website. For better results, combine advanced search with other PowerAdSpy filters to make your research even more focused. The more specific your search, the better your insights. Advanced search helps you spend less time hunting for ads and more time learning from campaigns that are actually relevant to your business. The next time you start a competitor research, don't settle for broad results. Use advanced search in PowerAdSpy to find exactly what you're looking for and make every minute of research count. Start your trial now.